Another day, another PC build na naman tayo. Ang budget natin is 130,000 pesos na good for gaming and productivity. Pwede mo itong gayahin for your future build. Okay, mag-start tayo dito sa motherboard. The MSI B760M Mortar Wi-Fi. One of the best price to performance motherboard out there that can support the latest 13th gen na CPUs from Intel. Now, pwede na natin ilagay itong si RAM from HyperX. Pagkatapos, ilagay na natin itong SSD, and as you can see, no tiny screw needed na tayo dito. Napaka DIY friendly ng motherboard natin. Next, ire-ready ko na yung case, and now pwede ko na ilagay itong si motherboard dito sa case natin. At pagkatapos nun, itong CPU cooler naman. This is the MSI Coreliquid C360 AIO liquid cooler. At ito ang magpapalamig sa mainit-init nating CPU. Install na rin natin itong si PSU na merong 850 watts. At lagyan na rin natin ng front fans itong case natin. Let's do some cable management bago natin isara ang case natin. And finally, let's install this beautiful and efficient GPU from MSI, the RTX 4070 Ti Suprim X. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final build. Comment below kung gusto mo naman makakita ng budget-friendly na PC sa next PC build natin. Peace!